Okay, I think this is pretty cute because we're begging for wheatgrass. Yes, you're begging for it, aren't you? Silly boys. Do you want your wheatgrass, Bobo? Do you want your wheatgrass? Here you go. So we love our wheatgrass. We know what's good for us. Want some more, Bosley? I've discovered that they don't really like it like that because they can't really chew it off, so they like it cut up. So when I drop it on the ground, they love it, or I can hand feed it to them. So we know what's good for us. It helps in their digestion, apparently. I've read about it. That's probably enough for today. You've had a lot. Kind of have to assume they know their limits, I suppose, but okay, a little bit more. You're making a mess. Okay, you can clean up what's on the floor now. Attaboy, Bo. Bo understands. Bosley, too. Get over there. Get over there. There's some behind you. Come on. Love you, boys.